Have you ever dreamed of breaking free from the 9-to-5 grind and making money while you sleep? If you have, then today's your lucky day. We're going to talk about how you can turn that dream into a reality, creating a passive income empire. But before we begin, make sure you're subscribed to our channel and press the bell icon for future updates. All right, let's dive right in. What's passive income? It's money earned with minimal effort, flowing in consistently even when you're not actively working. It can be made from investments, rental properties, royalties, or successful online ventures. Passive income grants financial freedom so that you're no longer tied to a typical desk job. But how can you make that happen? Well, step one of building your passive income empire is laying the foundation. Think of this as tending to your financial garden. Just as a garden starts with seeds, your income streams are those seeds, each representing a different plant in your garden. Patience and nurturing are key to making financial growth happen. Just like plants need time to grow, it takes time to see your money grow too. Oh, and remember, if it was easy, wouldn't everyone be rich? But it's not easy. In fact, it's quite difficult. Now, in order to be financially free and have the kind of portfolio that'll bring you solid passive income, you need to consider two things: diversification and a resilient portfolio. Diversification, this is vital. Rather than putting all your funds into one venture, spread them across different assets or opportunities. This strategy minimizes risk, ensuring that a single underperforming investment doesn't jeopardize your entire portfolio. A resilient portfolio. Building a portfolio that can withstand market fluctuations or unexpected events is really important. Your investments should be able to absorb economic downturns and recover to continue growing your wealth. Let's take Emma and Adam as an example. Emma believed in diversification. She diversified her portfolio across stocks, real estate, and online businesses. Each income stream contributed to her financial success, creating a diverse landscape of financial stability. Adam, on the other hand, invested everything in a single venture. When it faced challenges, his entire financial situation suffered. This illustrates the importance of diversification. And while we talk about diversification, let's not overlook geographic diversification. Considering international investments shields you from the fluctuations of a single country's economy. One thing to remember, make sure that the country is politically stable. For example, if you're in the United States, then investing in Germany could prove to be beneficial, as Germany has a strong economy and is politically stable. Investing in a country that is in the middle of a civil war might not be the best idea. Debt management. Once you have diversified and created a resilient portfolio, you will need to manage your debt. Debt management is crucial. Paying off high-interest debts clears obstacles from your financial path. If you have credit card debt and you're paying 20% interest on it, then you're losing out on quite a lot of money. So make sure to pay it off as quickly as you can so you can focus on your financial future. Lastly, continuous education about money and investments improves your financial navigation skills, helping you make informed decisions in your financial journey. Now, let's go over another crucial concept: compounding growth. Have you ever seen a snowball go down a hill? As it goes down, it accumulates more and more snow, getting larger in size. And that's exactly what compounding does with your money. Here's what Albert Einstein said about compounding. Compound interest is the eighth wonder of the world. He who understands it, earns it. He who doesn't, pays it. Compounding can be extremely beneficial. Let's say that you have an investment yielding an annual dividend of 10%. You invest $1,000 into this stock. In the first year, you earn $100, growing your initial investment to $1,100. However, you invest that money back into the stock. So you earn 10% on $1,100. Next year, you'll make $110. Now your investment will be worth $1,210. After that, you'll make $121, and so on. If you keep this going for 10 years, by the end of the decade, your $1,000 will have turned into $2,593. However, If you're even more patient and wait another decade, then that $1,000 will turn into $6,727. This compounding effect can turn a modest initial investment into a substantial source of passive income over the years. Now, this isn't the only way to make your money work for you. There's also real estate. Oh man, asking someone to invest in real estate? What a cliché. But have you ever thought about why real estate is the most common form of investment? Well, because it's the most lucrative form of investing. The asset is tangible and it appreciates over time, and for the past several years, its growth has outpaced inflation. The reason why real estate is considered a compounding asset is because of its potential for capital appreciation to grow wealth. When you own real estate, it can appreciate over time because of economic growth, right? But at the same time, all you need to do is improve it, renovate it, clean it, and even that can increase the value of your property. Let's take an example. There's a house that's worth $500,000. If the house appreciates by 5%, that's $25,000. That same house is now worth $525,000. Then if the house appreciates by 5% again next year, it'll now increase in value by $26,250. So that's an extra $1,250 worth of appreciation. So if you rent right now and you're wondering whether it's a good idea or not to get your own home, the answer is yes. Get one if you can. However, investing in real estate takes a massive down payment and can end up taking quite a lot of your time. So in that case, there's another form of investment. Online ventures. Leverage the internet's power to create and market content, products, or services. It's a way to tap into a global audience and generate income passively. Passive business ownership involves investing in or starting a business that operates under capable management, allowing you to own a business without engaging in day-to-day operations. Creating digital products, such as ebooks, online courses, or software, allows for repeated sales, providing a continuous income stream. Royalties and licensing opportunities can also be explored for creative works like music or art, generating ongoing income as they're used or sold by others. Let's say you're super into baseball. You can always just start by creating a YouTube channel that talks about the sport. Or you can always start writing blogs, or even create a revenue-generating website. That'll help you make money from your passion. Because when it comes to making money online, there's virtually no limits whatsoever. Right now, everything we talked about are just a few strategies to actively build your passive income. But even these streams require you to work a little bit. But we need to do something about that. We need to come up with the kind of solution that helps you grow and grow without ever lifting a finger. And that's where automation comes in. Automate and scale. This step catapults your financial garden to a higher level by incorporating smart technology and growth plans. It's about making your income streams more efficient and expanding their scope. Automation involves setting up systems and processes to reduce your direct involvement. For instance, consider automatic investments, where regular contributions to your portfolio are made without manual effort, ensuring consistent financial growth. Scaling involves expanding your income streams, and there's a way to make that happen. Take dividend reinvestment plans, for example. This automatically reinvests your dividends into more shares, boosting your wealth accumulation effortlessly. It's like turning your money into an ever-active money-making machine. Then there are robo-advisors that act as your digital financial wizard, crafting and managing a diversified investment portfolio tailored to your risk tolerance and financial objectives. They make strategic decisions on your behalf, allowing your money to work while you rest. Online bill pay is your financial autopilot, ensuring timely bill payments to avoid late fees, preserving financial security. Scheduled portfolio reviews serve as your financial compass, automating reminders to assess asset allocation and make necessary adjustments, keeping you on the right financial path. Explore real estate, mutual funds, ETFs, or bonds that create diverse income sources. For rental property owners, consider real estate expansion by acquiring different property types like commercial spaces or vacation rentals. Regularly increasing investments becomes a habit, resembling the nourishment you provide your financial garden, ensuring its continual growth. When you're investing, please make sure you do thorough research and consult a financial advisor before making decisions that could drastically change your life. But what do you think? Do you have any passive income secrets in your pocket? Leave what you are willing to share in the comments below. Thank you for watching this video on passive income. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more personal finance and investing related content. Here's to becoming rich and financially free.